welcome to a brand new Z Connect Season 4. Whoever you are, wherever you are, I'm going to be a part of your life right through the show Z Connect every single week on ZTV. Namaskar, salam, मैं हूँ Pallavi and I'm so excited to be a part of Z Connect Season 4. Lots happening on the show today, and when I say lots, loads of stuff lined up for you. Well, coming up, a chance for you to meet the most adorable and the most wanted Khan in Bollywood, Salman Khan. That's right, Z Connect and our team caught up with Salman Khan, who was here for the premiere of his film Jai Ho. So keep watching Z Connect to find out what Salman had to say. Also coming up on the show for you food lovers, a chance for you to catch up with a hot and sizzling place that offers the best sizzlers in town. अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं कहाँ खा सकते हैं आप best sizzlers in the UAE, keep watching Z Connect. And of course, a chance for you to meet with this most adorable family that I caught up with, the Jamnani family. All that and more in today's episode of Z Connect. Well, Filhal, it's time for me to spice up your life with a little bit of spice and mirchi. Just in case you thought कि मैं आपको चाट की रेसिपी देने वाली हूँ. No, think again. I'm talking about Bollywood, a place full of scandals and gossips, film reviews, music reviews, all that and more coming up right next in a Bollywood buzz right here on Z Connect. Let's talk about the latest film Gunde.
हम गुंडे हैं, ना आज तक किसी के हाथ आए हैं और ना आएंगे.
Have you checked out the soundtrack? Well, the song Jashn-e-Ishq is climbing up on the charts very steadily. That's because the music, of course, rocks, and of course, the star cast is a very interesting one. Arjun Kapoor, Ranveer Singh and Priyanka Chopra in Gunde. Well, the song that I'm talking about is not just good choreography, but you see male bonding big time on 70mm. For a change, there are no cat fights in this particular film. Check out the song from Gunde.
अंगारे हैं हम धड़कन में थोड़ा सा बारूद है ख्वाहिश का जश्न-ए-इश्क 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 जश्न-ए-इश्क.
It's now time for you to take a look at the top 3 songs that we featured on Z Connect. The songs that are popular, the songs that are most requested, and the songs that you can hear in people's car. Let's find out. Number 2 की पोजीशन पे and number 1 की पोजीशन पे है
तूने मारी एंट्री यार दिल में बजी घंटी यार
Hope you enjoyed all the latest from the world of Bollywood in our Bollywood Buzz section. Dheel de re bhaiya. In case you're wondering what has happened to me, why am I singing this particular song from Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam? Well, doesn't this song remind you of the Kite Festival? That's right, Makar Sankranti, which was celebrated in a grand way near the Outlet Mall. Loads of people, loads of laughter, loads of love, just the kind of place I would have wanted to be in. In case you missed out on all the action just like I did, let's take you straight to the Kite Festival.
Oh, well, this is the 3rd International Kite Festival. We are at Dubai Outlet Mall and it's pretty amazing, it's pretty good, and this year we've got like some more international kite teams. We've got 6 kite teams, and as you see, the skies are really full this year and it's good. We're so happy to see a lot of people having fun over here, and yeah, it's a kind of entertainment for them.
It's a good festival. I mean, after a long time, I'm flying the kite after probably 10 years.
ऐसा लग रहा है कि अभी इंडिया में आ गए हैं.
और हम लोग को बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
It's a lot of fun. Very colorful and the desi thing.
और हम बहुत enjoy कर रहे हैं.
We're enjoying the kite flying festival over here. So much fun.
Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Z Connect. With me, Pallavi. Stay connected. we got up with the hot and sizzling Salman Khan. That's right, you heard it right. Salman Khan was here in town with his entire crew for his latest film, Jai Ho. We got Salman to spill out some secrets and also got to know about that particular actor that gave Salman Khan a little complex about not working out like the way he was doing it. Acha. I'll leave out all the details. Let's hear it from Salman itself. Salman, welcome to Z Connect.
सलमान, whenever आपकी फिल्म कोई भी फिल्म रिलीज होती है, people love you here in the UAE. आपने एक डायलॉग मारा और पूरा हॉल तालियों से गूंज उठता है. How do you feel? You're loved so much.
खून बढ़ जाता है, 6 पैक बाहर आ जाते हैं. क्यों हरुण? यार होप ऐसे ही चलता रहे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. और इनका भी ऐसा हो जाए और इनका भी ऐसा हो जाए.
You've played the role of a person who's, you know, an Aam Aadmi. Let's put it that way.
To Harun, I was like really scared when I worked with Harun. इसके साथ बहुत अच्छा इंसिडेंट हुआ है. So we're shooting the mill and the action starts. Day after tomorrow we're supposed to, you know, take our shirts off and the action is going to start. So I just, Harun, just take your shirt off. I want to see how you know, what shape are you in. He took his shirt off and I died. I said, "ये क्या हो गया यार?" He was like ripped. And I told Sohail, I said, "Sohail, you know, I've not been training. You know, I thought this is," and I'm like normal because I'm playing this guy, you know, who's like a ex-army guy. You know. No, but you know, you can't be, you know, ripped and fit and you know all that stuff all throughout. So a normal body, chal raha hai, theek hai, look good on screen. You know, you have a lot of people who do a lot of mimicry and who watch movies and you know, fans. This guy actually is a hero. He's learned whatever he's learned from movies, from Bachchan Saab to Shatrughan Sinha to Jackie Shroff to Sanjay Dutt to the last heroes of our industry. He's followed them. Sincere follower, and he doesn't do mimicry. He follows their characters. So even on screen, he is that person. He is a true admirer of movies. And he's done an amazing job in the film. He's very hardworking. He's like hugely, you know, dedicated. And he's got a lot of terror in him. And wherever, you know, everybody's like, you know, I saw these guys today backstage. Harun, Santosh, Daisy and Sana. They're all standing there in the wings, waiting to take off. And I thought that was like the most incredible visual that I saw. That this visual is never ever going to, you know, get off my my mind. That I saw these four, and now from here, how these four take their lives and how they fly. This is their journey from now on. They're just there. Now they come on screen. They appreciate it, and each one has got their own journey, each one has got their own destiny, and now it's all in their hands.
Let's take you straight to Atlantis Hotel where the exclusive launch of Motorola Moto G happened. It was an amazing event. Let's find out more.
Moto G is what we say an exceptional phone at an exceptional price. Before we created Moto G, we actually went out and we asked around 15,000 consumers around the world across 4 different continents what are the most important things that they are looking for in their smartphone. And then we created Moto G. So Moto G is basically addressing the most critical consumer needs. So you're looking at the big bright HD display. You have the power for multitasking with an all-day battery. You have a software that doesn't leave you stranded. So obviously we're going to have an imminent upgrade to KitKat. But then a lot of consumers also said they also want to have a way to customize their product. So we're also customizing, or ability to customize the Moto G to make it truly your own. So we are very excited about launching this product. It's resonating very, very well with the consumers, and it's a big day for us here today in Dubai.
Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Z Connect. Stay connected. Well, this segment is for food lovers just like me. This one's called Cuisine Central. Let's take you to a place that offers the best sizzlers in town. Sizzlers that are mouth-watering, sizzlers that are easy to make. We got chatting with the chef of the Little Hut restaurant, who gave us the recipe for the hot and sizzling chicken sizzler served at the Little Hut restaurant. Let's find out more. Well, right now I'm standing here in Gusais at the Little Hut restaurant. इसके बहुत सारे ब्रांचेस हैं यूएई में. यहाँ का चिकन सिज़लर बहुत ही मशहूर है. आज हम शेफ से जानेंगे कि ये सिज़लर कैसे बनाया जाता है and why is it so sizzling and hot. और मेरे साथ के शेफ गौर जो हैं बंगाल से और लिटिल हट के ये बहुत ही फेवरेट शेफ हैं. गौर, कैसे हैं आप? आप बंगाल से हैं. तो बांग्ला আমি বুঝতে পারি একটু বলতে পারি একটু कुछ समझ में आया? क्या समझ में आया? भालो बांग्ला? गुड. अच्छा, ठीक है. आज आप हमें सिज़लर बनाना सिखा रहे हैं, राइट? लिटिल हट इज ऑफ कोर्स नोन फॉर इट्स सिज़लर. चिकन सिज़लर आज बनाने वाले हैं हम. आपके रेस्टोरेंट का चिकन सिज़लर अच्छा है? बहुत अच्छा है, हमने बहुत कुछ सुना है. तो चलिए जल्दी से हमें रेसिपी दे दीजिए. पहले अ क्विक लुक एट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स दैट आर ऑन द टेबल राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. दिस इज द वॉस्टर सॉस, राइट? वॉस्टर सॉस. एंड दिस इज द स्पाइसी सॉस, सोया सॉस, क्रीम, white pepper, butter melted. Melt किया है आपने butter को. Okay, butter has to be melted, salt, ketchup, and of course these are the chicken pakoras, right? Yes. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. पहले क्या बनाएंगे शेफ? पहले आप इसका सॉस बनाएंगे? Yes. ठीक है. इसके लिए हमें क्या क्या चाहिए? वॉस्टर सॉस आपको चाहिए कितने चम्मच? 1 चम्मच. 1 चम्मच, ठीक है. Alright.
स्पाइसी सॉस 1 चम्मच.
स्पाइसी 1 चम्मच. ये ज़्यादा भी डाल सकते हैं अगर ज़्यादा स्पाइसी चाहिए? अच्छा, 1 ही चम्मच होना चाहिए. ऑलराइट. सोया सॉस कितने चम्मच? 1 स्पून. ऑलराइट. क्रीम 1 स्पून. ओके.
व्हाइट पेपर
1 स्पून. वो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
इतना? ऑलराइट. Butter how many spoons? 1 spoon of melted butter. Salt according to taste. Yeah. More salt or?
No.
All right. And how many spoons of ketchup? 1. 1 चम्मच. All right. Looks nice. और थोड़ा सा you could probably take half a spoon. अब आप इसको मिक्स करेंगे. शेफ मुझसे बनवा रहे हैं. God. All right. So you mix all these together. We're making chicken sizzler today on Z Connect. Okay. The sauce is ready. ओके, सॉस तो रेडी है शेफ. अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं?
हम इसको कुकिंग करेंगे.
कुकिंग करेंगे. ओके, चलिए. शेफ वहाँ काफ़ी बिजी लग रहे हैं. ही इज़ एक्चुअली कुकिंग द चिकन, द 300 grams ऑफ चिकन दैट ही हैड टेकन इन द सॉस दैट ही हैड मिक्स. अभी वो आने ही वाला है. दिस इज़ द सीक्रेट बिहाइंड सिज़लर्स दैट वी एंजॉय ईटिंग इन रेस्टोरेंट. खास करके ये जो चिकन सिज़लर वो बना रहे हैं शेफ, अब इस तवे को वो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म करेंगे. वंस ही इज़ मिक्स द 300 grams ऑफ चिकन इन द सॉस, ही इज़ गोना सर्व इट hot and sizzling and your sizzler is ready to sizzle. I am sure आपके मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. कुकिंग हो गया है अच्छे से. Approximately कितनी देर आपने इसे पकाया?
5 मिनट.
5 मिनट में. Wow, that is an easy recipe. I can see a lot of sauce. Sauce gravy है. इसको सूखा भी बना सकते हैं.
No.
ग्रेवी के साथ होना ज़रूरी है. Okay. So, well, you can see if you're a non-vegetarian, I'm sure आपके मुंह से पानी आ रहा होगा. Lot of gravy, chicken's ready. Chef, अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं?
अब इसको हम तवा में डालेंगे.
The hot and sizzling tawa, the key ingredient behind that crackling sizzling sound is here. And trust me when I say कि ये तवा गरम है, बहुत ज़्यादा गरम है ना शेफ?
Yes.
It is sizzling hot. और बस मैं वेट कर रही हूँ कि शेफ इसमें कब वो चिकन डालें और वो crackling sizzling आवाज़ आए. आएगी ना आवाज़? I'm waiting for that.
हम इसको कैबेज डाल रहे हैं.
आप श्रेडेड कैबेज डाल रहे हैं.
उसको बाद इसको बाद हम वेजिटेबल डाल रहे हैं.
Are these steamed vegetables?
Yeah.
So he's put steamed vegetables, approximately 8 tablespoon. 8 tablespoon of peas, beans and carrots. Okay.
Only for chips.
Oh, and French fries, chips, potatoes. If you're a potato lover just like me, it looks nice. It's already sizzling. And now comes the chicken. Whoa! Amazing! Can you see and can you feel it? You can hear the crackle sound and wow, it's ready to be served. Ye ready ho chuka hai, chef. Whoa, there you go. Wonderful. This is the dish that we were waiting for. The hot and sizzling chicken sizzler. If you are a Sizzler fan and if you like eating chicken, do head down to the Little Hut restaurant right here at Gissess where I'm sitting right now. कभी खुशी कभी गम लाइफ में ये चीजें हमेशा चलती ही रहती हैं. Just in case you're wondering why am I so sentimental and philosophical, well think again. It's time to meet a very special family in this episode of Zee Connect, the Jamnani family. Let's find out more. So welcome to Zee Connect, Mr. Jamnani, Mrs. Jamnani, and of course the rock star, Darsh Jamnani. How are you today?
Fine.
And congratulations, you won the Dance Sensation Award on Zee TV. How was the feeling?
I felt proud and good.
You felt proud and good. Which song did you pick out?
I picked out Michael Jackson remix, Dangerous, Black or White and Beat It.
Wow. Congratulations to Mummy and Daddy. It must be such a proud feeling to see your son perform so well, isn't it? आप लोग दुबई में 1994 से हैं, इतने सालों से हैं, तो मतलब कैसा रहा है अभी तक का सफ़र? और हम दर्श के सवाल पर तो ज़रूर आएंगे ही. उससे पहले मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि आप दोनों की मुलाकात कैसे हुई?
मैम, इट वाज जैसे यूजुअली मैरिजेस होती हैं, इट वाज थ्रू अ मैरिज ब्यूरो एंड आए थे देखने, बस इट वाज जस्ट
आँखों ही आँखों में इशारा हुआ कि बस ऐसी
just clicked.
just clicked. So you're from Pune. We were just chatting behind the camera, and you're from Mumbai. तो ज़्यादा adjust करने की ज़रूरत पड़ी? Both the cultures are more or less the same, right?
More or less the same. And it was like an acquaintance through a friend of us, family friend.
Okay.
Like she, we were introduced to a close family friend, so.
Okay.
It was like not much of background check or anything which had to be done. Not much of research.
Okay, coming back to Dubai. इतने साल दुबई में आप लोग रहे हैं. How do you like UAE?
Yeah, I mean it's a very nice place. That's the reason we are there since 1994. We are having a good time. The local laws and the people here are very good. It's a multicultural environment. Yeah, we are enjoying our time here.
Lovely. When Darsh won the Dance Sensation Award on Zee TV, how was the feeling? You're working, Sakshi, you're a housewife. How was the feeling? And I also want to know the contribution from each one of your side in inculcating these beautiful dance qualities in him.
For me, it was more of honestly, it is more of to do with my wife. I mean, her efforts into doing a check of which institute he has to go, and for me it was more of to do with the logistics part. Just taking him here and there.
Right.
Yeah, of course. During the competition, I am there to support him.
And to cheer
but
him
yeah,
up.
the hard work is done by her.
Lovely.
Taking her to the classes or coordinating with the teacher and all those, the dance instructor.
Touch wood, I can feel so much love in the air. She's giving all the credit to you and you're giving all the credit to her, which is beautiful. Sakshi, my next question is for you. माँ होने के नाते आपको दिख जाता है कि आपके बच्चे की कौन सी अच्छी qualities हैं. तो मतलब when did you discover that Darsh is like a rock star?
Whenever, ma'am, there was a good number going on, he keeps dancing. He keeps moving his body. So from that we could make out that he's keen on it.
Okay. How interested are you all in dancing?
We are zero, you can say.
Well, don't worry.
Yeah.
Towards the end of this interview, I will make each one of you dance. Well, as of now, let's find out if you qualify in this section of ours. हम ढूंढ रहे हैं Zee Super Family, and if you answer my questions correctly, you all will be labelled as the first Super Zee family. All right, ready for my questions?
You could have told us these questions in advance. We could have been prepared.
You guys are very talented. I can see with the number of trophies in the house. I'm sure you all will get it right.
It's just
Darsh,
a
are you
joke,
ready? Yes. See, yes, I'm ready.
Yes!
All right. My first question to you is, name any 3 forms of dancing that you know of.
I know break dance.
Okay.
I know Bollywood. And little of contemporary.
Lovely. What about classical? You learning classical dance or any classical dance that you know of? Take Mama's help.
Bharatanatyam. A little bit.
I'll give that to you. Well done. Okay, my next question is, who is a Govinda fan here and who's a Mithun fan here? Raise your hand. Govinda?
Govinda.
Mithun?
Mithun, no.
Govinda. Okay, sing a Govinda song for me then.
किसी डिस्को में जाए.
I love that. Well done. So किसी डिस्को में जाएं. Well, डिस्को में तो नहीं, लेकिन यहाँ पे मैं इनसे जरूर डिस्को करवाऊंगी. पहले तो 3 cheers to all of you. बोलो हिप हिप हुर्रे.
Hip hip hooray!
Hip hip huर्रे.
Hip hip hooray!
Hip hip huर्रे.
Hip hip hooray!
Alright, this is the first Z Connect season 4 and I'm so glad to be in conversation with the Jamnani family. You guys are wonderful and 3 cheers from my side. The first Z family on Z Connect season 4. And before I say bye-bye to you, come on, put your dance with me. Think loud. A family that dances together stays together. I know, I just made up that line. But it is so wonderful to meet a family like this. ऐसी ही wonderful family से हम आपकी मुलाकात कराते रहेंगे right here on Z Connect. Stay connected. That's all we have time for in today's episode of Z Connect. Well, I hope you enjoyed the journey as much I enjoyed presenting it to you. Well, next week, don't forget to join us right here on Z Connect with a brand new guest, with a brand new family, and of course, the latest buzz from Bollywood. All that and more. Show us your love, follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And yes, don't forget to join us every week right here on ZTV. Keep loving and stay connected.